Sub family. This is your boy Glitches and Master Quad Creating Intellect signing in. So today I'll be explaining my spiritual name because I have an actual governmental name. Today I'll be explaining my spiritual name. Mind you, I gave myself this name like 3 years ago, and I wasn't tapped in like I'm tapped in right now 3 years ago. So this name I'm actually um how can I put this? Every year I keep discovering things about my name that are put within my name, like deep ass stuff put within my name. So it's Glitch Ascended Master. That's like my purpose. It tells you what my purpose is. I sat down one day and I think it was after some third eye stimulation, and I asked myself, what do I want to do in this life? Like, what's my purpose? Spiritually, so. So I was like, I want to disrupt things. I was still in the mentality that fuck elites and all that. Excuse my French, but I was still in that mentality. So I was like, I want to disrupt things. I want to restart this thing. Like, I want it to glitch. I don't want it to be like normal. I want normal people to wake up because they're noticing like something is off. There's some disruptions that are going on. So I was like, I want to glitch. I want to glitch the matrix. So I'll be glitch. But that wasn't enough. Like, I didn't want to be boxed up in just one title. I wanted to be like not be boxed up, like think outside the box, be outside the box. So like glitch wasn't enough for me because like my purpose doesn't end in disrupting things. I'm not just chaos. I'm also order. So I like continued it. I think I went to the store and through that walking session I just like came up to like I want to ascend. And ascension isn't just direction, it isn't just up. That's not ascension. Ascension is motion. Ascension can be going down. Sometimes, like, you not having the best time of your life, that's still for the good of you. Like, ascension isn't just up. You was programmed to think that ascension is just up, and I'm here to tell you ascension is in direction. Ascension is motion. So I was like, I'm here to have some motion. Like I want to be in motion. Because somehow I think goddess and God is motion. Because let there be lights, that's literally using the tone of your voice to like project motion. Like that's motion in itself. Using your voice, that's motion. Using words, that's motion. So I think goddess and God is motion, like universal, something that's of higher power is motion. So when you connect it to motion, ooh, connected to something deep. So ascension, I was like, ascension doesn't sit right with me. So I'm gonna go ascend it because I've already done this. Like the script is already scripted. I'm moving. It's like my soul is scripted with the script. It's already written. We ain't fucking up this thing again. Excuse my French. So I was like, we already done this. So I'm gonna write it like past tense. Ascended. I've already done this. Ascended. There's nothing that will disrupt my purpose. I've already ascended. I'm already in motion. I'm not about to be in motion. I'm already in motion. I'm done with this. That's how it is. So it was like ascended state of ascension. So like through me disrupting a matrix and being in motion ascended. I also want to be a master, not a master of people, not a narcissist, a master of myself, of my soul, master whatever I do, whatever my heart is in, like whatever I have passion of. I want to master that stuff, like whether it's spirituality, my life, my relationships, mental health, physical health, everything. Like I just want to master it all. Cause if I cannot do it, how can I come and on a platform and tell people how to do it and they can take that and change their lives, and that's a purpose in itself. I want to master myself so I can help the people. I'm not a egotistical individual that's like, I want to master it all and I want people to worship me. I don't think like that. I'll never think like that. So I'm like, I want to master aspects of my life, and then I can sort of show people how to do it, and they shouldn't do it the way that I did it. They just have to know that they can do it in their own ways, like in their own ways, not copy how I do it. I just want to be an example so people can do it. But in a nutshell, that's my name. And then there's a 333 within my name. That 333 also means something. That's like the universal number. Like there's the first three, and then when you take the first three and add it with the second three, it makes a six. So it's 3 and a 6. And then if you add all threes, it makes a 9. This the first three, which makes a 3. Second three makes a 6. Third three, it makes a 9. So it's 369. Nikola Tesla told y'all about that. So the 9, the actual number is 9. When you all add all the threes, it's 9. And 9, I think 9 has to do with something with the feminine energy, not just females, the actual females, like feminine energy, the energy of femininity, which is like, to me, the feminine energy is great because they females give birth. That tells you something on a universal level. So the creator is a feminine energy than rather than a masculine energy. So for the fact that I associated myself with the 9, which is feminine energy, you stay 9 months in the womb, which has to deal with something, do with something of creation. So it's like manifestation on all that. I think it links to 9. That's what I think. And the feminine energy, that's why I connected myself to that. But I didn't know that when I created this name. But names have power. That's like the actual notification I'm seeing right now from my YouTube channel. Names have power. Names hold titles. So my name in itself, it's so deep, and I think I'll keep on discovering things about my name in the upcoming years. Because every year it seems like I keep discovering things about my name. But that's where I'm at right now with like my name. And when I gave myself this name, it was just a name. But now I'm like discovering it has a purpose. It's a title. Titles hold weights. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Cause why haven't you? Why ain't you part of the crew? But I love y'all. Sun up.